Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect AirPods to a laptop or PC. To connect your AirPods to your laptop, first of all, click on the Windows icon. Then, click on the Settings icon from here. Once you get into the settings, click on the Devices option from here. Now, from the Devices, go into Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. And then, from here, click to add Bluetooth or other device. Now you need to press the little button beside your AirPods for a little longer. After that, it will show you your AirPods devices. Once you find the device, click on it. And then, click to pair it with your PC or laptop. After successfully pairing the device, click to connect it. Now, your AirPod device is connected successfully. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.